Alright, today we have another unboxing video, this time of antique mittens instead of just gloves. And hopefully they will fit, because if you remember from my last unboxing video, well, they didn't fit. The seller had listed it as the wrong size. So here they are double bagged, and I would appreciate that. We're in my mudroom right now, which is unfinished, but we do have this nifty 1920s light switch. I love the harsh click sound of it. That is just one of my favorite things about it. It's really not so much how it looks as just that harsh sound. It has power in its sound, not just in the electricity flowing through its wiry veins. Safely. Personally, I would not have sealed this other bag just to make it easier to take them out. These are genuine fur. I made this chair. It's actually two pew ends, and then original wood from the house, and then obviously decor. But here we have these amazing mittens. What do you think, ranching mittens? Probably should be sticking my hands into here. It's a, I don't know if you can see it, corduroy interior. Doesn't smell bad. And goodness golly, they fit. So here's my elbow, so they come up pretty far. Because I have massive hands. I have what they always called farmer hands. Problem is they don't match anything. Now I have to get a brown coat, because my frock coats are green and black. Yeah, I could wear these with the green just fine. Technically, I could get away with the black because I play a rougher character, but other than that little hole there, they're really in amazing shape. Now I just have to condition them. Condition the fur and condition the leather. Well, I have to wash them, obviously, too, carefully by hand. A little bit stiff, but what do you expect for something that's, I'd guess, over 100 years old? I wouldn't be surprised if these are late 19th century. Looks like I have a repair to do there too. The stitching, that's no big deal. But yeah, that's my unboxing.